I'm not sure if this is what I think this is, but if it is what I think this is, let's see. DJ, go get me a knife. It's nice, taped up nice and sturdy. Thank you, sir. Wait a minute. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. It's the right size box for something that would be cool. It could also be something else. Wait a minute, man. You know what this is?
No. Maybe Pokemon cards?
Not this big, okay. Okay.
What?
Wrap up
What
pretty
was this?
good.
Pokemon shoes?
Oh my goodness.
You got yourself some shoes?
Wait. Oh my goodness. It's got the logo on it.
Imagine these were bee shoes.
It's got the logo on it. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Yo! Look at these! These are the official Aceblade Cream ones. Okay? With the Aceblade logo on it. Aceblade looking mean on the side. Okay. Look at this. Okay. This is the first ever pair of Aceblade tennis shoes. Okay? They standard, but they clean though. But they clean. This one with the Aceblade on the side and on that side. That's fresh, right? You like these?
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of cool. I'm not even gonna put these on my feet. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna put them back in the box.
You have to for the content.
I might try them on yet tomorrow. Start washing my body. I just got home. But that's kind of fresh. I'm take some pictures and post them online. Got the Aceblade Cream ones.